Do you know this? Most recruiters are getting bored of your resumes. So you as interns have been sending resumes and the HR leaders are completely bored. They don't want to send any replies and they don't want to read the resume at all. So what is the problem? So the major problem is all these resumes are Me Too resume. You will have the same keywords. You will have the same band over there in colors. You will have the placement. Everything is same. It's like I have 50 intern resumes. All are same. What is the difference you bring to the table? You don't bring any difference to the table. So you don't personalize. And in the age when there is Amazon and there are so many networks like Netflix who are having recommendation engines and who are personalized engines where they personalize the content for you. What is that you are doing? You're sending the same old resume to the HR later. It's not going to work. Resumes are becoming for them like nutrition labels. They aren't even interested. And most resumes that are generic, they are not specifically designed for that role. So the resume is sent based on the designation the intern sees. You need to read the content of that job description. You need to tweak that content according to that will suit over here and change it. So every time you need to personalize it. That's the headache. It is headache, but the thing is that is what will get you the job. No point in sending 50 resumes. Send 25 resumes, but personal resumes to that job description, you will get 10 calls. It's as simple as that. And how do you personalize your resume? I have a number of videos about creating personal AI-based resumes. You upload your resume, you upload the job description, it changes the entire resume and gives you in new format with entire design and layout and everything, which is enabled to scan the ATS, which is enabled that ATS cannot track that resume. ATS will pass that resume. So our tip of advice, and keep this in mind, don't send same resume to each and every company. Change it, change the designation, change what you're looking for, change, customize everything. Customization is what people are looking for in the age of AI and everything. If you keep on selling the same old thing, nobody is going to look at it. And think it like a nutrition label. To how many times you would have seen the nutrition label in that particular uh, nutrition product or any product that you buy? It's like the label. You hate to look at those labels.